Yes, good evening, folks. How was today's trade? Um, yeah, yesterday, as we discussed, I told that there is a buying momentum happened. This candle I discussed yesterday, right? Once if it's go below the previous day candle and if it shows a bullish reversal, this is a sign of heavy buying. Okay, so this is a pattern I normally follow during my trading, and today it's opened the gap up due to, I think, due to Bihar election exit poll result, and as well as due to the US India US trade deal discussions. Okay, anyway, we'll see the 5 minute candle today. Yeah, it opened the gap up around 25,825 and tried to move up. Selling happened in this zone. Then again, this bullish candle engulfing this candle. I was waiting for this candle to cross to enter a trade on the shorting of P. However, suddenly the fall happened. This big red candle, right? This is a trap candle. Yeah, but we don't know whether it's a trap candle or a trade candle. But anyway, I have ended after crossing this red candle. I have ended the my trade here, sorting C. It came down a few, then a sudden sharp reversal took my SL, and immediately when it come to this point, I sorted the P and I removed the C. Okay, so then I that's why when in trading you have to be very flexible. You have to change your decision immediately. Okay, from here I was very bearish. Suddenly I turned to bullish because of this candle. This is how trading works. If you stick on to this trade and if you don't take the trade on the opposite side, you know, may not get the profit. You may not be profitable on this day. Okay, so you should I always tell you should have a always have a second plan. If it hits a trade, you can enter the trade on other side. If the board trade is SL, that's it, finish. That day is gone. We have to come with another day with a fresh set of mind. Okay, anyway, I sorted my P here. Came down a little bit. Again, sharp buying had happened. No, then again it went up, moved up. This engulfing candle, I added my quantity as I always do. Either bearish engulfing or bullish engulfing. I will add my quantity here. Again, the second bullish engulfing, I added on additional quantity here. Consolidation moved up, came down a little bit, again moved up. By this point, around 1 o'clock, I closed my trade. There is no reason for closing because see this candle. This candle is a 785 to 850. Okay, that single candle covered this one. After that, from here, 942 uh, 1 o'clock. Okay, more than three and a half hours, 4 hours, there is hardly a 50 point move. So I thought, let us close this trade, and it was giving a good profit, covering the initial losses also. So I exited my trade in this point. Okay, then it tried to move up, came down a little, and consolidation. Normally, if would have holded, I would have holded. I might have edged my PE from here since it has crossed this candle, engulfing candle. So I would have edged my C here. So it almost gave the same result. Okay. Anyway, so that's it for today. Train analysis. Let's see this. Closing, there was slightly selling happening in the last few hours. It was happening continuously for quite a few days. Day before yesterday, I told you the closing was not good, sudden selling. Here also there was a selling. The closing, I should have been in this zone. Then tomorrow, if the crosses that day high, we can take the trade. Now if it open this zone, it try to move up, come down, resistance hits. Let's see how the trade goes tomorrow. But support, I don't see any good support. Maybe it will take a support from here or somewhere. but let's see how, based on the price action, we can discuss a trade for tomorrow. Let us analyze Bank Nifty also. Few minutes. Bank Nifty, the latest trend was not there compared to Nifty. Opened the gap up, came down, did not cross the day low. It was trying to cross the day low here. Uh, then again a reversal. So Bank Nifty was kind of a consolidation. So if you had taken the trade in the Bank Nifty, it might have hit SL on the both sides. So this is how some days it will hit the trade on the both sides. Someday the reversal trade will give you a good profit. So it's a part of the game, right? I will show my position. Uh, this is what first I sorted the CE, took my SL, then I sorted the PE, gave me good profit and covering this one. So this is the trade analysis for today, guys. We'll come with a new video on tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and share to your friends. Thanks for your support. Bye. Good night.